Say hi, Clint.
Hi, Clint.
How many bikes so far?
So far, we think we're at about 140 to 150, and it's only, what, 910? So we expect we might reach 200 from just this location. Then Ronald McDonald's going to have a few hundred. Sweetwater's probably going to have a couple hundred. Then up north's probably going to have a few hundred. And actually, this is Coyote from the Saddle Tramps. He is the president of the Saddle Tramps. And he says his chapter from Riverside may have
a couple hundred bikes.
How great is this?
Nicely done.
For Josiah.
All right.
I think if they can get right in, right down, and then
This is Christy. Christy, this is her. Robert.
Alrighty, you bet.